Hello, everyone, and welcome to Sociology of Marriage and the Family. I'm your course facilitator, Dr. Matthew Irvin. There are a few things I want to go over so that you're not overwhelmed or confused as we get started here. I'm viewing this as a student in my Sinclair Community College student, and that's exactly what I'm doing, so I'm seeing what you would see. The first thing you want to do is to click here, how to get started. And I'm going to go up here. You'll click on there. What you do is you go up here up top and you click this content. It will give you then a screen, and it's a course overview. Click here to begin. Now notice you can't see anything else. And you could very easily get overwhelmed. Please don't. Know this. You have to complete all of these activities. Basically, they're just clicking on the links and demonstrating that you know where the material is. Now I've clicked on the syllabus, and so you just go down in order. First I've looked at the syllabus, okay. Then I've clicked on the when things are due course readings. You have a free textbook here, but you also have something else that you have to purchase this. This is the course readings. They're supplemental readings, okay. You have to have this. It's called Families as They Really Are. It is the second edition, edited by Dr. Barbara Rismond. You're going to need this reader in addition to the textbook in order to successfully complete the class and the discussions, okay? So please get this. Make sure you have this, order this reader, okay? I'm not sure whether Sinclair to you automatically. And then there's this page of expectations, okay? And this course has deadlines and so forth. I'll let you read that on your own. Then when you're done reading that, go back up here, read expectations, okay? Here's a student guide to eLearn. You don't have to look through all this if you're already familiar with eLearn. We have a new feature in terms of email. I'm able to email you directly from my Outlook account, which is going to make things a whole lot easier. But you can just take a minute and look over that. Okay, I'm going down here, and then course requirements and policy. What do we do with online courses is to use grading rubrics, okay? You have different kinds of assignments. You have a discussion forum in which you must participate. You need to post an initial post and then respond to two of your classmates. You have short writing assignments, quizzes, and the final project, okay? So there are 4 kinds of assignments here. Again, please take a few minutes. I'm not going to overwhelm you with this, but take a few minutes and read the course requirements and policies, okay? It'll explain to you how you're graded. Okay, and in detail, we have how grades are determined, okay? Please take a minute and read through this, okay? Read through this. Your opinion is valuable, and I want you to, in some way, share your opinion, but that's not where you end with this. You have to ground this in the work that we're doing here. And there are scholarly evaluations of perspectives, and you need to ground your assessment or your personal observation in the research that we're going to be covering here. Please take a minute. I think this evaluation criteria, how grades are determined, is absolutely critical. I'm going through here quickly. How to submit assignments. Again, this is writing assignments in Dropboxes. This is all linked up. You have to submit this. Please don't send me unless we make a prior agreement, don't just send me an email with your assignment, and because you don't have the time to figure this out. I can't accept that. But you have to submit your assignment through the eLearn environment, okay? Just take a minute, please, and review that. You have a final project here. This marriage and family project link is key. It will give you 3 options. One of which, unless you're currently involved in online work with a service learning environment, like you're doing counseling or something, or a social work technician and you're helping with clients online, option 3 here is going to be difficult. We have your typical research paper, what's called a genogram, and then a service learning with writing assignment. Option 3 is going to be difficult because of the constraints that we're facing due to COVID-19, okay? I'm just going to tell you. Please take a minute and start thinking about this. We're going to cover this in greater detail in a subsequent upcoming module, right? We go down here. Learning resources, okay? There are a lot of learning resources. Textbook. Please go back to the syllabus. Let's do that. Let's go back to the syllabus and see where the downloadable textbook is. Okay, so we go back up here to syllabus. See this, okay? This is the free online textbook, okay? You just click that there. Easy enough. In addition, again, I'm going to reiterate, you have to get this copy of the reader as well, okay? So you've got the online textbook, readings, and the reader. Families as they really are. We'll be using that. This free textbook is nice, but it doesn't cover necessarily the breadth of the issues that the reader does. We're back to course overview, the learning resources, that's it. Academic support services. I may, in consultation with you, if there's some challenges, I expect complete writing, edited work in your discussions, in your worksheets, and in your paper, and your final project. I expect the work to be edited. I expect a consistency in citations and formats. All this is covered, right? Descriptions of what you need to do. I may refer you to academic support service if you're having a particular writing challenge. Okay, so we're down there. And finally, the course overview survey. In order to exit this and unlock this course, you've got to do this. You click on this, you go start quiz. And it says question 1. I have read and understand all materials in the course overview section, right? Submit quiz, right? Wow. You could say false, but I don't recommend it, okay? So you submit this quiz, and then you click done, and you've got 100 points. Now, what does this do? Let's click back to course overview. Now, magically, everything is opened up for you. And then we go back. Now you can begin week 1. Okay? Please take a minute and review week 1. We're going to move very quickly. It's the 11th. You've got stuff that's due on the 17th. Okay? Please, it's a 12-week course. Please, once you're done with the click here to begin section, then please review this. I'll be making another subsequent week 1 video and trying to post these in both the announcement and as an individual video link for each course week, okay? Now you can begin, but only after completing this click here to begin. Now, you can go back to here and review anything that you need to review at any time from this course overview. It's useful. It's where your syllabus and schedule for readings, etc. are. You must complete this to unlock this, okay? So I hope that this is useful for you. I'll be doing a lot of these videos, particularly as we move through the course material. I'm producing videos even as we speak, and I know that we're going to have a great time together this summer. Please review the calendars. And in the immortal words of the guy who wrote The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen Covey, begin with the end in mind. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to sharing our insights together.